after working with him in the direction department, I learned a lot. I met so many directors, actors, so much I learned. Even today, whatever I know, little is about I learned from him. And I think he's a producer's director, which is what I want to be. Because anybody can direct a film, but number of days, respecting the actor's time, producer's money, and producers' efforts. Everything is very important. Mani Ratnam, obviously Mani Ratnam, and so many people who have inspired me through the years, which I think I've taken a little takeaway from everybody. But to date, if you think my memories, and that when we talk about love, it's definitely Mani Ratnam. Yeah. So I try to break my barriers, and I think acting itself career is a very challenging career. And once I came back into the industry, it has been very, very challenging for me in the past. I think I'm back in the industry 4 years now. Started acting films, and films are in the making, released, upcoming for release. So many projects. More than 30 films I've completed in the past almost 4 years, which is something that I never expected that will happen at this stage of my life. And direction department was something very, very interesting for me as a youngster when I started my career. In fact, I didn't do much films as an actor because I was more interested behind the scenes. So I worked with director P. Vasu. Uh, for around 10 films I worked with him. In fact, one Hindi film also, Hogi Pyar Ki Jeet, Ajay Devgan, P. Vasu. So I worked in that film as well. So it always attracted me, the creative uh, content and dialogue writing, and director P. Vasu was such a strong, charismatic personality. Uh, I could see a captain of the ship, a director, which really attracted me towards this position called director, because I found so much of power in a director. That power is something that really attracted me long, long ago. And yeah, I've been in different fields, and my life. Favorite director, many favorite directors, I mean, like, obviously my guru, where I learnt cinema, anything about cinema, including acting, because I think before director P. Vasu, I was a very amateur. Really, if you watch my film, is what you will understand. You will actually understand who I am, because um, I believe very strongly, today's women have a little misconception of the fact of being feminist, or being independent, or being strong. Just because you rebel, or just because you're trying to do something different, does not make you a strong woman. You actually have to try to do everything possible to be a regular woman, a homemaker, a mom, a wife. But when your boundaries are challenged, and when you are uncomfortable, and when you are abused, or when you go through something that is life threatening, is when you make a decision to become stronger. Till then, it is not wrong to be weak. Yeah. Not about having a star in the film, but more than the star, it is about the character that I can relate to. And that is why today Indian cinema is growing in a different way, where though there are star films, in Hindi especially, which I am seeing in the recent days, it's very, the content is very, very different from what the films used to be. It's become very commercial, and it is very superficial, to be very honest. I think South Indian films have more content, very strong storyline, and very, very strong performers as well. So when I see Hindi films, which I used to love at once upon a time, today I really feel in Hindi cinema a lot of things have changed, and I don't know what is happening. But I think that as an audience, when I watch a film, I want to see somebody that I can relate to for that character. And that is what is happening in Malayalam cinema, and Tamil, and Kannada. Telugu is a little superficial again, but what to do? Pushpa 2 is the yeah, collecting thing, cash cow. So no comments on that. But I think, yeah, definitely the storyline and content and performances and music definitely matter.